All right, this is how to use the signature function in Photos. First we go to Photos, then we go to a photo that we want to use. All right, then we go to Edit, then we go to the three boxes, then we go to Markup, then we go down to our little plus sign at the very bottom. Then it gives us our little box with text, signature, magnifier, and our little, what you call it. So we got to go to Signature, bam, and we're going to remove this signature because I already made it. So let's get rid of that one. That's the delete that one. Now we're going to go done. Then we're going to go back in, and I'm going to go signature. And it's going to give me this box, and it says up here, it says new signature, done, clear, blah blah blah. So what we got to do is we got to slide all the way down, and it says sign your name using your finger. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go. And that's my signature. Then I got to go up here and I got to hit done. Bam. And there's my signature. Look, I can put it right there. Now, if I want to change the color of it, I go here. Let's make it red. Bam. I can make it dark. Bam. I can make it yellow. Bam. I can make it green. Bam. Anyway, so that's how you do your signature. And, I guess maybe some people want to sign their photos. All right. And then to get rid of it, or to save it, you hit done. To get rid of it, you hit cancel. Bam, done. And if you want to revert, you can do that too. Revert to original. So we didn't change anything. All right, so that's how you use the signature function in your iPhones. That's how you use the signature function in your iPhone's Photos app. Now, I would think that you could use the signature like on signing stuff, but I haven't figured that out yet, so I'll let you know about that soon. All right, peace out. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like it, do all those things, and we'll see you in the next video.